Hi guys, so I'm going to color my hair today and I'm going to use these colors by Keune Tinta Color and 6% 20 volume developer from the same line, Tinta Developer by Keune. So I already used Keune colors in the past, but they were like super light blonde. And now for the fall and winter season I thought I would change a little bit the color of my hair, especially the color of my roots, to make it seem a bit more natural. So I'm going to be mixing these two colors, number 7, which is medium blonde, and 8.17, which is ashy purple blonde. So I'm hoping the ashy and purple in this particular shade will counteract with possible orange or yellow hues. Keep your fingers crossed, we shall see. Hoping that this will work well. I'm going for this natural blonde color, darkish blonde, but not too dark though, so let's see. So my plan is to mix 15 milliliters of each shade with 30 milliliters of this developer, because the instructions say exactly this. Mix ratio is 1+1, so if I have 30 milliliters of the color, I should have 30 milliliters of the developer as well. This is going to serve me to measure the 30 milliliters, because here we have 60 and it's not practical to see, you know, it doesn't have any measurements, so yeah.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll